Welcome back to another episode to the Soulful Show. We back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about support and resistance. But let's get into it. It's gonna be a strategy for you guys to start making your first amount of capital in the market. So what you learn in this video is support and resistance are not equal. How to draw accurate support and resistance levels. When support should you buy, and when its price comes to your support levels. Support and resistance to profit in bull and bear markets. So first thing first, what is support and resistance? Support occurs when downtrend is expected to cause due to a bunch of demand, buying pressure. Price regular stops following and bounces off support levels. Resistance occurs when an uptrend is expected to pause temporarily due to a bunch of supply. Price normally stops rising and dips back down. Why use support and resistance? To better time your buy and sell entry, have an edge or strategy in the markets, and it helps identify market structure. So we got a shooting star on the left and price opened at the bottom, closed at the top. Buyers try to push the price all the way up, but it ended up closing at the bottom. So this right here, you'll see this near resistance, because resistance is where price is trying to break out of, but buyers weren't strong enough, so it just ended up closing down near support. And on the right is a hammer pattern where the price opened at the bottom and then it ended up closing at the top, and the buyers pushed the price all the way up near the highest. So that's a bullish candlestick. You'll see this candlestick open at support and nearly close high at resistance, so probably break through resistance. And you see this near key levels. Support and resistance are not equal, and let me show you guys why. We're gonna draw our support and resistance in this downtrend on Bitcoin. Boom, that's one touch right there. I see another touch right there. And another touch right there. Let me move this one a little higher, because you want to try to get the most touches. You don't have to be perfect. And boom, right there. So as we see, which one is more powerful in this downtrend, support or resistance? And if you said resistance, then you are right, because price tries to break out resistance, but sellers are so strong they push the price and then broke it past support down here. So you see support keeps getting broken. Boom, another support level broken down here, and another support broken down right here. So sellers are in control, and this is a bearish market right now. So let's look at the video. This is an uptrend, and this is why support and resistance is not equal, because whenever we draw support levels on this chart right in the uptrend, we see that resistance is getting more broken than support. So in the uptrend, in the bullish market, support is more strong and powerful, because support is not getting broken. So let's draw our support and resistance levels on this chart right here. Boom, I see a touch right there. 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 And I see a touch right here. And I see a touch right there. So obviously, support is just getting bounced off and jumping up higher. There's no support levels getting really much broken, and if it does get broken, it ends up breaking past the resistance. So support is more powerful in the uptrend, and resistance is more powerful in the downtrend, and that's why support and resistance is not equal. How to draw support and resistance lines. I'm gonna show you guys how to really draw your support and resistance. Okay, we're gonna draw our support and resistance levels for Tesla right here. And when you draw your support and resistance, you want to start basically looking at where the chart has the most touches. Then boom, you draw your first line. Just really looking at the support being the bottom and the resistance being at the top. And here's another line right there. I see more touches. But let's move this one up a little higher, because there's more touches that can be more made up there. Like right there, that would be good. This is how you draw your support and resistance. Whenever you want to draw your support and resistance, just look at the bottom and the top. Like imagine a basketball. Man, you bouncing a basketball, so whenever it bounces on the floor, it has to go up, right? So when it bounces on the floor, it's the floor, and the top will be the roof. So the basketball will just be bouncing back and forth until gravity makes it stop. It'll drop all the way to the lowest, and the buyers push this price up all the way up and broke it past resistance. They try to break it past this one, but the sellers just were so strong and the buyers weren't strong enough, so they pushed the price back down to a new support level. But they didn't end up, the sellers weren't strong enough to break that support level. So in this case, the buyers are more powerful because support is not broken. So whenever you think about support is like a level that you want to see. If it doesn't break past it, then buyers are in control. But if support is getting broken, then the sellers are in control because they ended up breaking down support and resistance is not getting broken. Because resistance is where the price is up, shooting up highest through the roof. So this is how you drive your support and resistance. And I need you guys to try it. What time frames to trade support and resistance? Whenever I'm trading support and resistance, I usually look at the 5-day, which is a candlestick growing every 5 minutes. You can trade the 1 day and 1 minute time frame where a candlestick grows every 1 minute, but that's for day traders. 1 month is when they're 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes a candlestick grows. Share the market and how to tell that if it's in the uptrend or downtrend, I'll look at the 1 month time frame and then start drawing support and resistance from there. And if you're into the day trading, I'll use the 1 day to between the 5-day, 5-minute time frame. Recap: support is more powerful in the uptrend. Resistance is more powerful in the downtrend. And that's it with this video, guys. I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all gained a little strategy that y'all can use to analyze these markets and start making profits in 2024. If you liked it, share it with your mama, share it with your granny, share it with your best friend, share it with your uncle and all that. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Comment if you had any questions or any topics that you want me to talk about.
As I sow, I shall reap. There's an outcome to our deeds. So I practice what I preach. Yeah, I'm covered in the spirit. From my head to my feet. What I want is not a need. She keep begging me to stay. Something's telling me to leave.